6th December is Microwave Oven Day, and today I have a simple curry recipe for you all which is going to be very useful for students and bachelors. So let's see the recipe for vegetable coconut curry in the microwave. This recipe is going to be entirely made in the microwave from start to finish. So in a microwavable bowl, heat up around 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil for 1 minute. Add in a tablespoon of garlic finely chopped, a tablespoon of ginger finely chopped, half an onion shredded, half a capsicum cut lengthwise, few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of salt. Give this a mix and microwave for another minute. Let's add in half a cup of chopped French beans, 1 carrot julienne, 1/4 cup corn. Give this a good mix. Again for a minute. A pinch of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of curry powder. If you do not have curry powder, you can even add garam masala or sambar masala. Half a teaspoon red chilli powder. Give this a good mix. Let's add in 1 cup water. Cover it with cling film. Poke a few holes in the cling film to let the steam out, and this goes into the microwave for another 2 minutes. It's nice and hot. Remove it carefully. Open the cling wrap. It's very hot. Let's add in 200 ml of coconut milk, just a pinch of sugar, 1 teaspoon tamarind pulp. Give this a good mix. Cover it again and microwave for another 2 minutes. Very carefully remove the cling film. Give this a good mix. And this curry is ready. You saw how easy this was to make in the microwave. It just takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You can even use frozen vegetables or even just green peas if you have. Do enjoy this curry with a nice bowl of steaming hot rice, and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.